Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be filming this video. Today I am going to show you a haul of a bunch of press-on nails that were sent to me. I'm really excited because these nails are awesome. I'm going to show you how I apply them. I will show you all the styles that were sent to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This company reached out to me. They wanted to send me a bunch of press-on nails, different styles for me to share with you guys. And I am excited to show you guys all the ones that were sent to me. Right now I'm wearing their white ones and this is how they look. I wear white a lot and I love the shape. As you guys can see, the shape is really nice. They come in a set of 24. I will have a link down below for you guys if you are interested. But we're gonna go one by one and I'm gonna show you everything that is in here. And I'm also going to apply them on my mom since she came to visit me. I'm going to take advantage of her and give her a little glam for her nails so that she can feel beautiful. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how to apply them. Show you this style right here. They kind of reminded me of watermelon and I got those. I also got some French tip and right here they have a little bit of sparkle. The ones that I've been having on, they've been on for a couple of days already and they look super good. Right here we have brown ones. Press-on nails save you time, money, because going to the salon, getting your nails done can be very expensive. So the fact that I can do this on my own whenever I put the kids to bed and I just do my nails and have the next day my nails done pretty is awesome. Over here we have matte black. Let me show you. Matte black and also like a pinkish with a little design right here. Then on this side we have pink. This kind of reminded me of Kylie Jenner. So I got those right there. Super nice. And then over here we have another cool design. Let's see it. Here you go. Very nice. This is my all-time favorite and I'm waiting for a special occasion to wear them. But here we have them. They're brown and black with gold and peach. They're super nice. The size, this right here, they are more like an almond shape. I do have some coffin shaped nails. This one's right here. This is how they come. We have 24, so you have multiple sizes to choose from. They're super nice, you guys. And then the packaging, as you can see, it looks like this. So you can wear this for like easily like a month. The nails, if you want to do the little sticker, which I never do. Honestly, I never use this. Let me know in the comments down below if you ever use this type of little glue. And then over here, there's like a little paper. It gives you instructions on how to do your nails step by step, which we're gonna do them together. Then also it comes with the nail glue. Then we have a little pret pad with kind of like, I want to say it's like rubbing alcohol on it so that you can kind of take all the oils off the nail, file your nail, and also the nail, the acrylic nail, because at the tip it can be a little pokey. Some of them, not all. These ones are not. Just a little bit, just to smooth out the edges. But this right here, you guys, is so pretty. I'm excited for this one. Hopefully my mom doesn't say, use those ones, because I want to keep those for myself. Now we're going to move on to the part where I show you how to apply them.
Just as I imagined, my mom ended up picking this style, which I was bummed out, but at the same time happy because it was my favorite. So I'm glad that I got to do those nails on her. The first thing that I did, I cleaned her nails with the little rubbing alcohol pads that came in the kit. Then I file her nails just so that the glue stay there for longer and it just got a better grip when I apply the glue. The next thing I did is I tried on each nail just to make sure that it fit perfectly. Now that I found all the nails that fit her fingers, I moved on to the glue. What I like to do is apply it to the nail, then I get the press-on nail and just press on it for about 10 seconds on each nail. I just press on it really, really hard, and then I let go, and then it's good to go. Make sure you apply a good amount of glue. Don't put too much because then it can get all over your fingers and it gets messy. But then again, don't put too little, because if you put too little, then the glue will, the nail will pop off easily, and we don't want that. So do that to every single nail. That's what I did.
I put all the press-on nails. The next thing I'm gonna do, she thinks they're too long for her, so I'm gonna cut them. I have my kitchen scissors here.
The only thing I had was kitchen scissors, and my mom was dying. She's like, I can't believe you're gonna put this on the video. And I said, yes, I am. Honestly, it's easier to cut the nails with the scissors, and plus, these nails are so flexible, and I think that's the reason why they have lasted me a long time. If you guys are to see my nails right now, they look so good, and it's been over a week since I had them. Same with my mom, she still has hers.
Here we see the difference between the one that we have cut already and the one that we haven't. So we have a different shape. Here we have it square, and then this almond shape. There you go. And then if you turn it around, you can see the difference. Almond and square.
My final step was just to file them down and make them smooth so the edges were not sharp and uncomfortable.
This is the final look after we trim the nails and we file them. This is how short they are. She doesn't like long nails, so it's nice that we have that option. And also we will have some extras. Here she has the extras that she can use in case they fall off. She has extras, but overall they're nice and practical. And it took us about 10 to 15 minutes to get them done. So now she looks fabulous. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me and doing nails. I'm excited. I love my new nails. Don't forget, everything will be listed down below in the description box. So if you are interested in any of the styles that you saw today, check out down below. And also, there is more styles on their website. Thank you for watching. I will see you all on my next one. Bye, guys.